Ochalaba okwanjula n'embaga.
There's no way, it's my baby. I don't believe in God, I don't believe in God, no. I don't believe in God, I don't believe in God,
ntuse ku lunaku luno kubanga gwe maama webaleko nzaala neyanziza byonna ekyogero kyalimu olweza
nakunaze olweza okitegeera nakusiiga n'eriiso ne kafiga akalungi okiraba wamma
kubanga singa kyalimu kalituuzi osanga saani bituuseeko bino neyanziza nnyo baleko njagala baleko nzaala oyo mwami wange nsaba omwagala nsaba omukkirize. Thank you so much.
Tuyimuke tukonemu kaddansi omanyi essanyu lirwa no mami kon laba mama n'omwana gwe mama yazaala omwana aleese obuzungu kyekyo kahaga keyongere mami omwana we oyagala mugamba ki kate kuyongera omukwate koze kamba kwatira kazindaabi oyagala mugamba ki mukwano
omwana wange ono musabire emikisa emirungi
amina
mu bufumbo bwe kuba ye mwana wange asoose
olaba waguddewo emikisa
okumufumbiza
ate n'aleeta muzungu
n'aleeta omuko
kulaba abaana abeesaala bagange kuliranga muyanga sanyuka bulakuja nene kintu okufuna mwami aliko byonna si kyangu nnyo ebamufanira entuufu sizina ez'okupangirira bano mwawange siba n'ensi yasombera n'ereeta balina sente siba ne bambala embeera miguwa ate ne bwamulaba feesi esanyusa okutunuulirako alina Keirra Malulanda yesoma ekiyita omuntu tusoma ddiini emu Katonda nyina okukimwebaliza bakoze kapa wallahi ani aswazaali banange American Haiti ebasimati mulenzi muto sente azirina atenda azigaba ate ayagaliza omwami asengejja awuliriza ate semunnange olweza olukubangamba okwesako bayayama ebyetaago ekizibu okubakugira ekizibu abantu abagaba abombo batera okwogera naye obwesigwa n'obwetoweze bwekubeera ab'okwagaliza batumbire mubaleke mayiro mutwale mabega babulwe sente nyabula abagira obunnanfuusi abalwaze ne kansa oba hepatitis B abalwaze ne coronavirus omulala n'ebola ne sente mu banka zibalema okubaleka emisaide n'omugambe nesaide n'omugambe abantu bali boosi bawulira asaba okwetaalira bambiri saide n'omugambe nesaide n'omugambe kiri kitya mugole kuba ogenda kigumira
Thank you much, Selector. Check his hands. Check the hands. Thank you. Mukochi dichita weba nenyewe bali mudala. Mukwase. Sema kula. Mukwase.
Kanyimire kao. Sorry.
Mwana mule. Ojitia. Yeah. It's very heavy. Do you hear it? Like how many kilos are those? How many kilos?
3.6.
Kilo satu. N'okutundu mukaaga.
Ogane engineer.
Awula babu manye ngogo. Mukwase leta ina pampa enja badiri.
Naye mbadde. Wana mwenzi mutawo nze tayina kugaba
kubala. Aizobo wale mwana. Bala tuchivele muna nkoi.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets. To carry love, to carry children of our own.
Ayuba, Boman, Boman. Jatute, take our one to Gaza. Take our.
Hey there. How are you? Good. So this is my gift for you. This is apple. Give an apple for my eyes. Okay. Hey. I don't know. This is just wine. You know, when you take wine, get a little bit tipsy and high. You're always on my mind.
Let's roll you on one night.
As you walk towards my pathway, I can turn away my eyes.
Joe, Sama.
I was dreaming that you stand right in my way. My eyes can see you.
First of all, I want to thank my baby. Thank you so much for loving me. And I love you. And I mean it, you know. And I'm going to love you until late Victoria tries it. Anyway, I love you so much. Thank you so much for loving me. Never zo mami wange. Ekintu kyesinga omwebazaako ye bali mutansonda. Nze sikoze meeting. Tebansonze. Ate mpite wali eri wansi bagamba oyo mukyala waffe kubanga bansonze. No. So I want to thank my baby. Thank you so much for your family. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for treating me like a princess. Thank you for loving me. Like, I don't know what to say. Babe, this is my family right here. I was born here and raised here. Right? In case of anything, you can always come back here because if it's my home, it's your home. You can always count on this place as your second home. We love you. We appreciate you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for flying from Germany to come to my country and to see my parents. I know it's really hard and it's really crazy because we just did it for just 9 months and then you're like, no, I need to make you a wife, you know. Thank you so much for loving me. I'll just say something short. My first proposal, a girlfriend, it was an airport proposal in Germany, whereby everybody witnessed it, you know. Thank you for making that decision. That is the thing I love about you. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for loving my child. Thank you for loving me. You've loved me so much. You've done a lot for me, you know. And I'm gonna keep you, love you, be there for you. Anything you want, you can count on me. Okay? Thank you so much. I love you. But someone else. Thank you so much, sir.
Congratulations. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Rhene Bia. Mwebali kuleta mukolo ku Delta TV. Ate muchala Bia, masomalungi, Keirra. Mwebali kubeera ng'otwagala ffe aba Sharitas by the World. N'otwesiga ne tukwambaza. Ffe baani Mukama tusaba kwe kyasinga okwagala, kyosinga okwagala muzaale n'abalongo zaale byana ebizungu ebijamani. Katigene mbulango terabira Njovu Estates, Njovu Junior School, Sharitas by the World, ne Sharitas School of Beauty tukomawo.
Ochalaba okwanjula n'embaga.